All right. Hey, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Aaron here. Great to have you with me today. Thanks for checking in. Here at Altcoin Daily, we bring you daily videos on everything altcoin, everything cryptocurrency, whether it be videos about the most relevant news of the day, or maybe it's a video on an easy to understand, straightforward deep dive about an altcoin, or it could even be the most effective crypto trading strategy. We talk about it all here. A video every single day. That's why you subscribe. And today, what I want to put on your radar is two articles that I found a lot of value in. The first one is this one right here. Experts claim Bitcoin price likely to score $20,000 before May's end, which is in about a month. And that would be something, and we'll be reading about this and talking about it. And the second article I want to share with you is this one right here. It's a green flag as far as I'm concerned. Goldman Sachs backed Circle, which is an over-the-counter trading desk, doubles its minimum Bitcoin trade size. Very interesting. It's doubling its minimum trade size because there's such a high demand for big money that want to get into cryptocurrency. It's got to double that. So we'll be reading all about that. That's a green flag in the market. I really think it has a lot of value. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, you might want to subscribe. Of course, I'm not an expert. I'm a normal guy. I made a little bit of money in cryptocurrency over the past year or so. I plan to make a lot more. And I'm not giving you advice. Imagine this as if we're having a beer, talking about cryptocurrency. Either way, you're going to want to use my channel as a starting off point, and then you can do your own research and hopefully make some money in cryptocurrency this year and for the next several years, because people are making money in the market, and there's no reason why you and me can't be two of them. So let's get into it. Before we read those articles, I want to share, or I just want to do a quick market check-in. So Bitcoin right now is at 8,800, sitting pretty, and we do see a little bit of red in the market. Of course, we know over the past week, Bitcoin did manage to break out and hit over $9,000, and we have a market cap right now of about $390 billion. So let's take a look at the market cap. Let's take a look at a week chart right here, a 7-day chart. This is us a week ago, and then this is us today. And you can see the slow, steady, healthy growth we've been having. And of course, with the market cap today being at about 380, 390 billion, over the past day or two, we've seen $50 billion leave the market like that, which is normal. It's normal, guys. What? You guys didn't want this? You didn't expect this? You guys just thought Bitcoin and cryptocurrency would just continually, steadily go up forever? That's not how it works. That's not how it works. The market goes in waves. The market goes in cycles. That's something I try and share with you guys all the time, really try and put things in perspective here at Altcoin Daily. Because, just like over the past 48, 24 hours when this started happening right here, I don't know what it is. I don't know what's wrong with some of you guys or like the crypto community in general, but you have such short memories. I actually think most of our community here at Altcoin Daily, you guys are pretty smart. You guys are pretty with it. But some of you guys need help. Some of you need perspective. Because every time the market corrects itself, I see people commenting. I see articles coming out. Oh, Bitcoin, it's going down. Bitcoin's going to drop to 1,000. Bitcoin, it's overvalued. Biggest scam in history. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Sell, sell, sell. Are you guys crazy? Are you guys crazy? Let's get with it. Are you investors or are you children? Let's get some perspective here, people. You guys need to, let's click all right now. You guys need to take a look back at the last 9 or so years of cryptocurrency. We have seen larger market caps and higher highs every year. And I feel like whenever the market dips, you guys forget that. Every year the market corrects and then we go on to see higher highs every single year. And this will continue as long as the space is new. Do you guys think $20,000 is as high as Bitcoin's going to go? Is that what some of you think? You guys think last December and last January, you think that was the ceiling? I have news for you. This is just the beginning. The space is young and new, and the market is still very volatile. But less than 1% of the population knows about cryptocurrency. Yet every year, we get closer and closer to mass adoption. Altcoins. Altcoins. Check this out. Altcoins have really only become an opportunity for businesses recently. Back in the day, it was really only Bitcoin, and then there was Ethereum. And just recently, we've seen all these altcoins pop up, and they've really this is just the beginning. It's going to take a year or two before we see businesses implement them and implement their blockchain technology. We are still in the wild, wild west of this space, whether you like it or not. This is a technological revolution, guys. You guys need to develop some investors' mindsets here. Let's go back here. You guys need to think more about the history and the past and where we've come from. So that way that you'll be able to predict the future. Think like an investor. Cryptocurrency is changing the world. Cryptocurrency is changing the world, and I welcome it. Just like the internet changed the world. Just like the internet changed the world, crypto is going to change the world. And just like how the world was different from the 80s going into the 90s, the world's going to be a lot different in 10 years, and you guys need to think about that. And if you think otherwise, I'm here to tell you something.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up out of your sleep, wake up out of your sleep, wake up, I command you in the name of Jesus, wake up out of your sleep, wake up out of your sleep. The Lord told me to tell you, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, guys. If you think the world needs to wake up about cryptocurrency, give this video a like. That helps me grow as a channel. That's going to help get this video out there. Go ahead and hit the like button right now. I'm going to like this video. It gave me some value. Let's get into it. Let's talk about Bitcoin hitting 20,000 before the end of May. What's up with that? Let's get into it. We'll read the article and we'll discuss. The past weekend has been a great one for Bitcoin and altcoins, as people got to see a lot of green in the cryptocurrency market. The signs of life have boomed into the market that signal a bullish run. Earlier this year, Bitcoin price was struggling to rise above the 6,500 mark, and now, with it just being a touch shy from closing 9,000, all the hopes have been raised high. Of course, we know we did get to 9,000. History on repeat. Talking about history, at the end of 2016, there has been a steady growth until the beginning of 2017, when there was a correction in the market. Then the slope rose, and the growth happened up to March 2017, which after another correction took place that began a bull run in the market beginning of April through mid-December. Do you guys get what it's saying? This is, as I said, the market goes in cycles. If we take a look at a year chart here, the same thing that happened in 2017 happened in 2016. So in 2017, it's hard to see, but there was a very, very slight correction that happened here. Of course, the market was a lot smaller, so this was bigger back then, and we saw some growth around May, June, July, just a little bit correction, and then a huge bull run in December, and the same thing happens every year. And the thing about it is, the market gets a larger market cap every single year. We're at about almost $400 billion right now. That's nothing. That's nothing. Our all-time highs are at $600 billion from last December and January. $600 billion market cap here. Nothing. Back in the 90s, the dot-com bubble, that had a $6 trillion market cap. $6 trillion. And that's when there was the huge correction, the bubble bursting. Cryptocurrency, you really don't think it's going to get up to $1 trillion. The dot-com bubble was primarily focused in the US. Cryptocurrency is a worldwide thing. Less than 1% of the population is into cryptocurrency right now. You really don't think that $1 billion, $300 billion, $600 billion market cap, that's going to be chump change in a couple of years. And according to this article that I'm reading right now, they think it's going to even hit all-time highs around May. So, if history repeats itself, we have already begun to see the change in the market. However, with the current expanse of change, the bull run is likely to be way bigger than the last one. It's because there's an exponential effect. The market goes in waves. Some people think this is it for cryptocurrency, but you guys have to realize we're still so early on that 1% of the population is involved right now. Businesses are just starting to get involved with blockchain and altcoins. It's a exponential, like snowball effect. As more and more people get into it, they're going to see the benefit. How can they not see the benefit? And so the 20K might come sooner than we think. They're predicting May. I don't know about that, but by the end of the year, we're definitely going to get above 20K. In my personal opinion, I predict a $1 trillion market cap by the end of the year. Bull run has already gained momentum in 2018. We are already experiencing a taste of bull run in the market as Bitcoin, actually went past $9,000, while Ripple comes close to touching the $1 level. Bitcoin Cash is celebrating 1,400, while some altcoins take a surge of as big as 20 or even 30%. Moreover, Bitcoin price is firmly being above the trend line, which was initially facing resistance at 8,500. So according to this analysis, there was a trend line going around 8,500, and Bitcoin broke it. It even broke the psychological $9,000 resistance. So obviously you see the market, people's mindsets and sentiments and mentalities, they're very interested in cryptocurrency right now. Today, the total market cap of the crypto market also reaches $400 billion, while registering the gain of $100 billion in this month. Since March, as the market recovered its value, this is the first time the crypto market saw such gains and market capitalization. This is a pretty interesting chart right here. We don't have to read all this stuff. Basically, this is a chart that it kind of, I'm not a big technical guy. I think technical analysis, TA, it has its place in the market, but the market is so volatile and so psychological at the moment. This is just a piece. This doesn't mean everything, but according to this chart, this kind of tracks the percentage of the buy market percentage. So when this goes up, you can tell that tons of people are going to buy pretty much. And this, in 2018 or 2017 going into 2018, when we saw Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies reaching 20K and all-time highs, this little chart right here was at 88%, and that's how they knew that Bitcoin was going to go on a bull run. They say right now that this chart is now up to 92%, so they're predicting a lot of people are going to be buying. And if you go even throughout the history of cryptocurrencies, this chart does have some value. And a number of experts have predicted Bitcoin's price to go as far as 1 million. Of course, that's in a farther future. And that's really what I wanted to get on your radar with this article. Many of you, I know a lot of my followers also probably like a YouTuber that I like called cryptocrow. He actually talked about this article the other day, and that's how it got on my radar. And you guys should hit up his channel and check out his take on it because it's pretty interesting. Anyways, I just wanted to be very transparent and say I originally found out about this article from him. He provided me with a lot of value. I'm going to go and like this video right now because I like this guy and I want him to succeed. Then, the second article I want to share with you real quick is this one. Goldman Sachs backed Circle doubles minimum Bitcoin trade size to $500,000. Let's get into it. Circle Trade, the trading operation of Circle, which is a over-the-counter, trading desk, professional trading desk for big money, has increased its minimum ticket size on Bitcoin trades from $250,000 to $500,000. In an interview with Business Insider, Circle chief executive Jeremy Allaire said the size of block trades made by Circle Trade, the firm's over-the-counter trading desk, has grown since the beginning of the year. That's interesting. Even at the beginning of the year, when the market was seeing a massive correction, the people's interest in trading has grown. The firm has also doubled the size of its minimum crypto trades from $250,000 to $500,000. The minimum ticket size has moved up to $500,000 with an average of $1 million, Allaire says. This is very interesting. Should be green flags going off in your mind that money is about to come into this market. Even millionaires and billionaires might be FOMOing into this market. Some transactions, according to Allaire, are larger than 100 million, and the watermark will continue to rise. So he's saying that the minimum trading value will probably continue to rise as the demand rises. And this is interesting. And keep in mind, this is not to say that means that money is just going to keep coming into the market, because money could easily just come out of the market too. There can easily be a sell order for $1 million worth of Bitcoin. But the point of this is that big money is interested in getting into the market. And now that we're seeing regulations, now that we're seeing, just like more, I don't know, what do you call it, like stability, or more of it being okay, the mindset to get involved in cryptocurrency, more businesses adopting it, we might see a lot of money coming to the market this year and definitely in the next couple of years. Will Bitcoin get to $20,000 by May? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think definitely by the end of the year. I think we're going to see $1 trillion market cap by the end of the year, actually. And let me know in the comments what you think will be the market cap by the end of the year. Will it get to $1 trillion? Let me know. And that's the video for today. I'm Aaron. This is Altcoin Daily. If you found value in this video, give it a like. And have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.